Alright guys, welcome to Lauderdale by the Sea. We're going to be doing a video down here today. We're going to walk the beach, take a look at everything. It's nice out here, everybody's here. Everybody's out here today. Everybody. Looks like their pier is being worked on down here. It is closed off, folks. Look like it's some type of work being done over there. So that's closed. But other than that, everybody's on the beach. You can kind of see a distance between where a gap is missing in between their pier, where looks like they have to replace. Today is a much beautiful day down here. Everybody's here. And we're gonna walk along the beach. Check out some things. Hope everybody's doing well. Good afternoon, everybody. Quite a lot of people here today. The waves are a lot calmer.
Thank you. Excuse us.
Hot day, folks, a hot day. But a nice day.
I thought it was 35 too, though.
Gotta love it. You have people with tents out here. You have the police on the RVs. Beautiful out today, folks. Beautiful. There's people from miles down along the shoreline. Miles down. Take a look at the water over here, folks. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that, folks. Blue ocean today. Blue sky. Let's walk the shoreline, shall we? A lot of people here are staying at some of the hotels that you see across behind them, and a lot of people are here today. How's it going? Very nice, folks. out there in boats. Pretty far out. You can see the bridge that's being repaired. A lot of repair from over here. Big gap in between. Alrighty. Very nice out. Oh, look at this, folks. Riding away. Oh, look at her. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool, right? Cool, right? Look at that. Tiny looking away. How far would she go with that? I wonder. Pretty much far out there. Oh God, please don't let it be a Jaws attack. Guess she'll be okay. Go down a little bit. Wow, she is really out there. Wow. Look at that throat. She is out there. All right. We're gonna rock around the front through the path walk. Get some of this sand off my sandals. I wore sandals today. I thought it'd be perfect day for sandals. Didn't want to wear my boots, have all the sand in my boots. So, you know. As you guys can see, it is packed for miles down. Everybody's at all the beaches today. Everyone. Remember, folks, this is Lauderdale by the sea. Gotta love it. So this is a little, I'll call it a little chilling spot, you know, before you enter the beach. Come here and sit under the shade, eat your lunch, your dinner, whatever you brought here to eat, and relax. Nice little area, actually. You know, still by the beach, still getting that fresh air. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, that was cute.
It's pretty nice, folks. How you doing? It's beautiful out here, folks. A lot of nice hotels down here, motels to stay in. They're all the way up and down the blocks, all the way, as far as the eye can see. Parking, you gotta pay. It's pretty cheap to park down here. I think I paid $2.50. I got like 4 hours, 3.5 hours, something like that. That's not bad for being down here. It's close right by the beach. There's plenty of parking, so it's not like you gotta walk blocks and blocks to get to the beach or some of the hotels you want to be at. All right. Most of the hotels have their own parking anyway, and motels for you. But if you're just coming down here to enjoy the festivities or eat, you know, or go to the beach, they have parking pretty much right next to it. And also they have golf cart rentals and things like that if you want, you know, want to ride around yourself. It's pretty nice, folks. As you can see, there's plenty security and law enforcement around the areas for any type of trouble. I've never had trouble down here, actually, at Lauderdale by the sea. You got that type of trouble usually in Miami Beach. And I don't really go to Miami Beach no more during the night. I like it during the day better, where you can actually enjoy yourself. If you're a clubber and all that, probably, you know, for you, you probably can go down for the young ones. But no, I'm too old to be going down there clubbing and all that crap. But hey, I don't knock anybody for what they do, but you know, I don't do that anymore. This is more of a family type thing to do, you know. You and your loved one or a girlfriend or whatever, you know, nice to come here. And the food down here smells amazing. I pretty much had a lot of them already, and everything I could say was pretty good. They even got a pet shop down here. You can buy a dog down here. Might cost you a little something, but they have a pet shop where they have puppies in the windows. And the cutest little puppies ever. So I'm sure they're selling like hotcakes. See, as you can see, we have Broward Sheriff officer sitting here as well, watching traffic. Everything's safe, folks. I can't imagine how I can tell you guys the smell down here is awesome. Looks like they're setting up some event as well. It's Friday, so you know.
You know why? You know why? Ancient Chinese saint.
I said, oh, it's my luck, I guess.
Pretty nice, folks, pretty nice. Here's a lot of the restaurant areas before you get to the beach over there that you pass up before you get there. It's pretty cool. The Village Grill was really good. I liked their food. They got some awesome hot wings. Pretty cool, guys. Also, they let you bring your dogs down here if you didn't notice. They have delicious pizza places. You can buy a pie or buy a slice.
Straight, babe.
And here's the pet shop. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't he cute?
There's more? Oh, there it is, right there. Danielle.
Cutest little dogs ever. Wow.
They're so precious.
I want to buy one of these dogs myself. I hate coming in here because they all look cute. Wow.
I think they should be in cake. This is sad. Maltese. Ooh, a cockapoo. I think that that's just
Well, folks, if you're looking for cute little puppies, this is where you want to go. Look at the little one right here. Oh, he's so cute. You see the prices on these dogs, though? Very high. They come with everything, but yeah, $29.95, folks. Car prices used. He'll make you go in your pockets. Look at him. This is cute, isn't it? Okay, folks. Let's move on, shall we? You want ice cream? This is the place to go. Very nice spot, folks. Got the intersection here. Also, fair warning to you guys. They don't really go after you a lot, but you never know when they want to. Try to wait for the light to change to cross the intersections. Right now, there's really no one around, but you know, you don't want to do that because you can get cited for jaywalking. So just to let you guys know that you can get cited for jaywalking. Plus, you don't want to get hit by a car if you got kids or anything like that. A lot of these people come down here speeding, trying to get a parking spot, or you know, or it's just so crowded they've been waiting all day trying to get past people, and then they zoom past the light. So you want to, you know, just keep your eyes open at the lights. All right. They have burger Wi-Fi across the street too, as well as gas stations. And yeah, I don't know about you guys, it's Walgreens wherever you're at, but we have 2 Walgreens over here. And we have a Walgreens that just sells liquor. Never even known that. You know, until I came to Florida, I said, wow, they got a Walgreens that actually sells nothing but alcohol, separate from the other Walgreens. I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, I thought it would have been at least a liquor store, but Walgreens? It's pretty nice. With that being said, folks, I am going to end this video.